I am Paranormal Man. Do you like my voice? I'm Paranormal Man. You like that? I have no camera crew, just me and this camera. I like that spooky green effect. Right, I'm supposed to use that. It's all part of being a paranormal investigator. I am Paranormal Man. I need to come up with a catchphrase. Like Jason's. Come on, let's get out of here. What is that? Let's get out of here. Did people tell you to stop that? Jason, you should stop that. Let's get out of here. Need to come up with something a little more natural. Anyway, I, Paranormal Man, I'm gonna stay here. And check it out. Anyway, let's see if I can do this without falling down, because it is kind of dark out here. Oh, see, on the front right here. Is that a moat? Ooh, spooky shadow. I saw a shadow person. Oh, another one. Holy mackerel. They're everywhere. 4. There's a big light shining on the house right now. I debunked it. I'm good. I'm quick too. This is a nice place. The mirror?
Yeah.
Where is it? Mirror. She said mirror.
Baby.
That was a very squeaky door. She keeps telling me I need to go outside. I guess I should go outside. Okay, which way? Okay. No kidding. I really did just hear something very strange right here. Did you hear it? It's right next close to me too. What is it? Oh, can you see anything? What'd you get? Oh, what? Oh, something flying. Whatever it was flew. Yeah, whatever it was just flew. It might be a bat. Oh, it's right here. It's not. I thought it was a frog, but frogs. Oh, no, I see it. Let me zoom in and see if we can capture it. Oh, its eyes are glowing. What is that? I'm gonna move forward slowly and see if it'll just look and I can see kind of clearly what it is. Well, it's right there blinking. It's winking and blinking. Yikes, and I just heard a cat in heat. And there's nothing worse than that sound. Yeah. Oh! It's gone. No, there's more than one. There's like 5 out here at a different time. Thank you for making noise, bird. Where are you? Where is it? They look kind of big, so I don't want it to fly out and hit somebody in the head. Wait, I think I see something with my regular real eyes, so let's see. What was this?
Yeah, it's kind of see something too.
Like right there. Right, bird. Oh, it is. He's sitting right there, see? Now, can we see what it is? See, because these trees are full, because that one's not even... Nice shot. It's owl. See it?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, but...
Oh, jeez. Told you, they're all over these things. So that's an owl tree, apparently.
Look, the moon.
Down in like 4 minutes.
Ooh, there's a lot of particles.